First thing you got to do to depin these, if you look on the back, it has this yellow piece of plastic that actually locks all the pins in there. So this piece, this yellow piece, has to come off first. Once you get that yellow piece off, you can stick a screwdriver in here and start depinning. Right there. I'm going to pry up on it and just remove one slide and it'll pop off. Undo this little clip right here, and I've already got it all disconnected, but it's going to come off now. Now you can see I got this piece off the back. That's the first thing you got to do is remove that. Now I can depin it. This is why a lot of people have trouble depinning connectors, is because they don't pull that plastic piece off the back first. But what it does is it opens up these holes, like these holes right here. They're actually bigger, so everything's going to slide right out once I depin it. And on these holes, I'm going to grab this plastic clip and hook it with a screwdriver. I'm going to push up on the plastic clip and then pull out on the wire. Now you can see I pulled this wire out right here that goes on the end. And yeah, it just came out real easily. No problem at all. I just stuck it in there, pushed up on the plastic clip and pulled on this side, and it just popped out easily and didn't cause any damage. Now you can see I got my 4 speaker wires that went in right here. I got those 4 speaker wires removed, and this is pretty much how I'm going to have it hooked up. Also, I just want to point out number 7 is missing on the back of this back here. It's the one below the orange wire. It's missing a wire below the orange wire. That's number 7. That's your dimmer. Not all radios have a dimmer function, so that's why that's gone. But I could stick it back in there if I had a radio with a dimmer function.